So I'm going to be showing the difference from these two problems. So first we're going to do this one and then that one. So this one's asking to do -7 minus -5. So in this kind of problem, we're going to be using integer chips. And what they are, they're usually like a chip or like a little circle coin that has two colors. One can be yellow and then one can be red. But if we're drawing it on paper, one's going to be blank and then one's going to be filled in. This one, which is usually going to be yellow or blank, will equal positive numbers. This one that's filled in, or can sometimes be red, will represent negative numbers. So we're going to be using these two in these two problems. So for the first one, it's -7 minus -5. So we're dealing with two negatives here, so we're going to be using the filled in one, or the red ones. So first we're going to draw out -7 integer chips. And we're going to fill them in since it's negative. Now, we want to take away -5. Within this -7, you can see -5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives in -7. So since we're taking them away, you're just going to cross out 5 of the negative integer chips to be left with only 2 negative integer chips, which means that -7 minus -5 equals -2. For this one, it's different. We're still going to do 7 negative integer chips to start off with, just like this one. And we're going to fill them in because it's negative. Now, you can't see +5 because these are all negative. So what we're going to do is add 0 pairs. 0 pairs look like this. It can either have positive on top or negative and positive. Since we want to get +5, we need to add a positive underneath these negatives, and those will create 0 pairs. So we'll just do that to 5 because we want 5 positives. And we're going to circle the pairs because we're not taking away, we're adding. So we're just going to circle the pairs that we see. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's when you added 5. Since these two are the only one that aren't in groups, this will be your answer, because that's what's left and isn't in a group. So for this one, -7 plus 5 also equals -2.